What up, YouTube? So today we got another video, and this is going to be from the sponsor of AUXITO. They specialize in LED lights for a lot of cars. Specifically, these lights were supposed to be for my Mercedes C43, but my car already kind of has HIDs already, and they're pretty much standard on that car. So I wanted to give an example on another car. They don't actually work especially for this car as far as the socket, but I can give you guys an example on how to install these, since I don't have any other cars right now at the moment. So this is how they look. Very good quality HIDs. Like I said, I wish I could use them for my car, but we'll use them for an example on this video, and maybe if I can find another car, we'll do a part 2. Right now I'm just going to show you guys how to get these installed. So pretty much there's just a 2-prong, positive and negative, and then these are the little ballasts. So you got a positive and negative for the ballast, and then you got a positive and negative for the actual HID. So pretty much like these two will be going, actually the positive and negative with the, I guess these are male, are gonna go to the positive and negative on the headlight plug. So I'll take this one off just to show you guys. All right, so this is a 3-prong. The third one's usually for high beams, so I don't think these are HID high beams, they're just regular. So we just need to find the ground, which is going to be on this side, the black wire, and then I believe the positive is probably going to be this one. So I'll get those connected right now with the ballast. So I'm going to take this one and this one, get this connected real fast. Actually, I'm gonna connect it and then we'll come back. All right, so we're back now, so I can show you guys exactly what I did. So as you can see, I got the positive negative going to the plug, and then the positive negative going to the HID LED. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the light on. All right, so as you can see, this thing is super bright compared to a standard light. I'm gonna go ahead and close the garage right now so you guys can see an example, but yeah, even in the daylight these things are pretty bright. So let me go ahead and get the other bulb on there so you guys can see which one is actually brighter compared to the stock one. So I'm gonna go ahead and close the garage and we'll come back. All right, so right now I kind of wanted to go back and show you guys how bright just the stock bulb is in this Honda Civic, so we can actually have something to compare to. That's the reflection off of the stock bulb. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one back on, and then we can see the difference between this one and the new LED bulb. All right, so this is the new LED bulb. As you can see, it's way lighter. It's not super perfect since it's not like designed for this headlight, but definitely a lot brighter. I'm pretty sure on the road it'll be a lot brighter in the right car. But like I said, this video is just to show how to pretty much install them with power and negative on the grounds. Power and negative, like I said, just need a power is white, negative is black, and then same for the actual bulb. It actually has the positive and negative on here. So white is positive, black is negative. Hopefully when I actually get a car that we can install these, we'll do a part 2 so you guys can really see how bright they are. Other than that, I will have a discount code if you guys are interested. They'll be in the link at the bottom, and it'll give you guys a discount. You guys can go check out AUXITO. And stay tuned for the next video. We'll be coming out with a car, hopefully, that we can install these and actually get just the right car to fit them in, so we can take it on the road and see exactly how they fit. But they're pretty bright as far as just putting them on this car for right now. So if you haven't liked, share, subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys on the next video.